Good day, guys. Um, the other concern was just on momentum. Momentum is simply mass in motion, meaning for you to consider something to have a momentum, then it must be moving and it must have a mass. So someone was even telling me, no, momentum is too difficult. Momentum is the simplest. This is when you should even be relaxing. So momentum, P, is equal to mass times velocity. So to get the momentum of something, you just multiply the mass and the velocity of that object. Meaning if you have say 100 kg moving say at 9 meters per second, then the momentum is simply 100 times 9, which is 900 kg meters per second. The units you already know them. Then impulse of a body, J, is equal to change in momentum, delta P, which is the same as the final momentum minus the initial momentum. That's change. So if you remember so, then we can say J is equal to M V minus M V naught, which is the same as saying J is M V minus V naught. That's simple. Then the same J, I'll put in that space, J is also net force times time. Net force times time. So the units we use for impulse is Newton second. For momentum we say kg meters per second. Although these units are equivalent. So that's the same. So remember that when you are considering momentum, it's there's supposed to be a collision or an explosion. Meaning, for something to have momentum, then it must have collided with another object, moving or stationary. So now, when you are solving a momentum problem, simple concepts, guys. That's why I've got this set. Say maybe we have 1 kg and 3 kg held together, maybe by a spring. Then they explode. Then after the explosion, you have the 1 kg moving at say 9 meters per second. Then they tell you 9 meters per second east. So remember that momentum is a vector, so when you just get the word east, then you know it's moving in the positive x direction. So then they ask you now, what should be the speed of the 3 kg? Maybe the diagram is not doing this thing justice, but it's okay. The explosion definitely, the expect is to go the other side. Okay, let me change this. Let me say west. So afterwards, it moves west after the explosion. So now, your job, guys, is just to have a before picture and the after picture. So in the before picture, these things are at rest, so the velocity is 0. So if the velocity is 0, then it means the momentum is also 0. Then in the after picture, you have the 1 kg. The 1 kg, maybe this is A, this is B. So the 1 kg, which is A, it has the same mass, it's 1 kg. Then its velocity is 9 meters per second. Then the 3 kg, you don't know the velocity. That's what you're looking for. So the momentum in the before picture, which is 0, which is 1 plus 3, 4 times 0 is simply 0. You can press on the calculator to find out. Then you are going to have 1 times negative 9. Why 1 times negative 9? Because west is the negative direction. then plus 3v. 3v because you don't know the other velocity. So then you say before is equal to after. So then you say 0 is equal to minus 9 plus 3v. Then 3v is going to be equal to plus 9 over 3 over 3. So meaning your v will simply be plus 3 meters per second, meaning 3 meters per second east. Why east? Because on the horizontal plane. Some of you want to be so smart, you start mentioning north when you're talking about things on the surface. So just stick to that. So that's a simple thing. So the other one that we must know is if say you have masses that stick together. So if you have 2 kg and moving at 8 meters per second and 4 kg moving at say minus 5 meters per second, then these two stick together. Minus meaning opposite direction. So you just hear the word opposite direction, you assign one as positive, the other one as negative. So if they tell you these things are approaching each other, then it means they're moving in the opposite direction. You can't approach someone, each other, like you're approaching each other, then you're moving the same direction. So these things, you just have to know that when things are colliding and they are moving head on, then it's they are moving opposite direction. When in the after picture they tell you that these two stick together, so meaning you have a combined mass of 2 kg and 4 kg, which will be 6 kg. So that's the same thing. Then they ask you for the common velocity there. That's what they usually they must ask you. So for you to find out, you say mass times velocity, which is 16 minus mass times velocity minus 20. This is equal to 6v. So 16 minus 20 is negative 4, which is 6v over 6 over 6. Then that will give us 4 over 6 meters per second. You go and do it on your calculator, you find out. So those are the things that you must be knowing. The other point you must just know is to understand the concept of impulse. So for impulse, if say a ball hits the wall and then bounces back. So as it is going, it's going east. So say it's moving at 4 meters per second. Then its mass, let's say it's 2 kg. Then bounces back at 3 meters per second. So now you know that for something to bounce back, then its direction has changed. So the impulse J will simply be mass velocity final minus velocity initial. So you say this is, so now, okay, let me say, it's okay. It's okay like that. So let's say it was going west at first, because I want a positive answer. So if it was going west, then it was negative, then the final is bouncing off east towards you. So what I'll put there is I'll say 2 times the final, which is 3, minus 4. Remember, these I can assign anything. So what is 3 minus 4 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14 Newton second. So to find the force, maybe they'll give you the time to say maybe it was in contact for 2 milliseconds. You remember the milli, you don't take it for granted, you're a physicist, is the same as 2 over 1000, which is 0.002 second. So that's the one that you say F times T equals J. J, you have 14, so you say 14 equals F times 0.002. Then you will find the values. So guys, these are simple concepts which the only reason why we are struggling is because we are not together. at this point, this is the only physics you can enjoy. So take care of yourselves as you're going through your work and relax. So do some more questions, I'll do some more sessions. As you have seen, my marker has stopped working. So thank you very much. Have a good day and take care of yourself.